Garbage disposal procedures. In Japan, garbage is collected by dividing it into detailed types. By sorting our garbage, we can recycle it and protect the environment. And by following the rules, we can build good relationships with people in our community. So please follow the rules of Sagamihara City and sort your garbage. Take your garbage to the designated location by 8:30 a.m. The area in which you live determines which types of garbage can be disposed of on which days of the week. Types of garbage. Sagamihara City collects 4 types of garbage: household garbage, recyclables, plastic containers and packaging, and large-size garbage. Household garbage includes items such as kitchen scraps and tissues. Recyclables include items such as bottles, cans, and paper. Plastic containers and packaging includes items such as plastic PET bottles and bags with the plastic mark. Large-size garbage includes items such as bicycles and furniture. Garbage bags. Household garbage, recyclables, and plastic containers and packaging should be placed in transparent or semi-transparent bags. When disposing of paper items, which fall under recyclables, bundle them together with a string. Large-size garbage. For large-size garbage, apply for disposal online or by phone. After applying, purchase a large-size garbage collection sticker at a convenience store or other store in the city where they're available. Then, affix the sticker to the large-size garbage and bring it to the designated location for disposal. In addition to this method, you may also bring in items directly yourself to a garbage reception facility. Items Sagamihara City does not handle. For appliances such as air conditioners, televisions, washing machines, and refrigerators, you must pay a fee to a contractor to have them dispose the items. In addition, tires, motorcycles, batteries, fire extinguishers, and waste oil cannot be disposed of in Sagamihara City. For details, please visit the Sagamihara City Household Garbage Sorting website. Inquiries. Sagamihara City has prepared a guidebook entitled Garbage and Recyclables Collection Schedule and Disposal Procedures in multiple languages, which can be viewed on the Sagamihara City website. Please feel free to contact us for more information on how to separate and dispose of garbage and recyclables in Sagamihara City. The Sagamihara International Lounge provides information to foreign residents in multiple languages.